Hey Shiba Army, welcome back guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today the markets are in the green guys. Shiba Inu in the green. What a fantastic day. We got a lot of updates for Shiba Swap from Shytoshi. So we're going to go over everything guys. But first let's take a look at the global crypto market because this is amazing for us. Alright guys, here we are on coinmarketcap.com. Today is Wednesday, June 9th. As you can see, the global crypto market is almost up by 10% guys, 9.71. Amazing. Last 24 hours gearing up over 9%. This is amazing. Global crypto market cap is coming in at 1.57 trillion. As you can see, Bitcoin up over 15%. That's incredible guys. Hopefully some of you were able to buy on the dip yesterday, the last couple of days when it was in that 32,000 level. Ethereum up almost 9%. Amazing guys. You would have made some huge gains if you purchased in the last couple of days. Dogecoin up over 10% as well. So now let's take a look at Shiba Inu guys. But as you can see, we are still the third most viewed cryptocurrency on coinmarketcap.com guys. So we're still remaining in that top 5. Things are looking amazing for us guys. So guys, here we are with the price of Shiba Inu. As you can see, it's 7306. We got those 5 zeros followed by the 7306, up over 13% on the day. Now this keeps fluctuating between about 10% and 13%. So overall guys, being up that 13%, we are looking so tremendous guys. We are back. We are strong. The market is in the green, the general crypto market, which means we're going to follow suit. So I hope everybody held on to their positions. I know there was a lot of FUD going around the last couple of days with China, with Donald Trump, with Elon Musk, all these people trying to bring us down, all these big institutions, these big whales dumping everything just so they can buy on the low after everybody panic sells and the fear kicks in, and then just to rebuy on that low and then rinse and repeat guys. So you got to look out for this. You can see it in the charts. You can see where these big whales and institutions are short selling. Now the volume has come down about 17%, coming in at 640 million. Market cap is up almost 10%. At 2.8 billion. So things are still in the green for us guys. Everything is going our way. Of course, you know, everybody is wondering where is Shiba Swap. So I got these updates for you right now. So let's get right into the Shiba Swap. But first guys, please consider subscribing and turning on those post notifications. If you're looking for free money, you want 2 free stocks, or you're just looking for a brand new broker, sign up for WEBULL and you're going to get 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300 with my link in the description below. Okay, so we have this update coming from Shytoshi from the Discord, and he says the next few days will be hectic depending on feedback from Certik. So me being fun and kind has ended. Now I'm back to focus and melting faces. If you haven't already, figure out what you will do when swap releases. For more technical updates and less comedic relief, I suggest keeping an eye on our official channels. Let's talk about feedback. Feedback from testers was phenomenal. There are some UX issues I think can be resolved and more to go as we improve, but processes work well and UI is beautiful. I said I won't be on here much moving forward and I meant it. So this is amazing guys. We got a great update here, a lot to go over as you can see. So they're just waiting on the feedback from Certik. Now this is always what we need to hear because obviously it's never going to be perfect 100%. There's always going to be, you know, could be a minor issue, maybe a medium. You got to expect they're going to find something, right? Because you really want them to find something because you want them to do their job properly and keep us all investors safe, right? The Shiba Army must be safe. For Shytoshi also saying like, just be ready when swap releases. Like, what are you going to do with your tokens? Are you going to put them in the swap? Are you going to hold on to them? Like, what are you going to do? Are you going to sell because the price maybe runs up quite a bit? So guys, that's a decision you need to make on yourself. I know we get so focused on when it's going to be released that if it just drops tomorrow, what are you going to do, right? You need to be prepared. You need to have a plan, right? Just like trading, crypto, stocks, you always have to have your trading plan in place. Right? We've heard this time and time again. You plan your trades and then you trade your plan, because a lot of people plan them and they say, I'm going to hold for 6 months, a year, 5 years. But then soon as the market gets red, people just toss out the plan and start panic selling. So just focus on your plan. You have your plan in place, trade it. Now, Shytoshi mentioned that feedback from testers was phenomenal. This is what I like to hear, guys. I've said it time and time again. I used to be in IT. I was a software tester, quality assurance software analyst. Now I know about testing. I love testing. So to hear that testing went well, to me, that's music to my ears and that's giving me the confidence. And that's why I'm very excited today and I can relay my enthusiasm, my excitement to you guys, because this is ultimately the most important part, right? We need to understand that testing is done, it's performed perfectly, and we are ready to roll out. So Shytoshi mentioned that the UX, the user experience, has some issues, but he believes they can be resolved. So that is great to hear. How well, he did mention that the UI, which is the user interface, is looking beautiful. So that's great to see as well. Not as important in my books. However, hearing that there's positive results on it make me feel better. I know a lot of people actually reached out to me asking me they thought the Certik audit was finished and they were just testing. But as you can see, if you go to the Certik website, guys, that's why you always got to do your own research, do your own due diligence. You will see that it's still in process. And of course, I just gave you that update from Shytoshi mentioning that they're waiting for Certik's response. Now I have another update from Shytoshi, and here's what he says. When you create a company, you and your friends get funding from a VC or incubator. Guys, just to stop really quickly here. So a VC is a venture capitalist, right? And incubators are generally non-profit organizations. They're generally run by private and public sector sectors. However, it could also be business schools or universities. Okay, so let's continue here. So you spend copious amounts of cash to develop a fantastic team, and then you build a specific product. We are fully decentralized. There are no leaders. The hiring process isn't. We built this community without any leader, and the swap is one of many projects being pursued by a multifaceted team of dedicated devs and admins. Ryoshi has shared his vision, and we are way behind schedule. The swap because of tightening security. For this, I apologize, but I'm glad this happened. Collectively, through our decentralized nature, we can do anything. I suggest you ask how you can participate in the ecosystem as we begin to grow again. So hopefully this appeases some of you guys. As Shytoshi has mentioned, he admitted that they're behind schedule. He apologized. So this is great, guys. We're getting a lot of great feedback from the team. As I've said before, guys, if you don't want to be involved, you don't have to buy in, you don't have to invest, you don't have to hold your tokens, your coins. You can sell, you can do whatever you want. But if you are invested and you are getting those paper hand feelings, just remember why you put your money into Shiba, right? Why did you invest into Shiba Inu coin? So guys, just going over to etherscan.com, you can see our holders are growing, guys, over 489,000, guys. Any day we're going to be at over 500,000, over 500,000 holders. Get ready for it. Now, I've mentioned this before that I believe that Shiba Swap is going to be released when we're in the green, which is a great day like today. However, we're still waiting on Certik, as we all know. So this gives you guys still some time to work out your ideas and plan in place for what you're going to do with all your coins. However, a lot of people just want it to be released once it's complete, whether we're in the red or the green, because if you're a true investor and you're part of the Shiba army, it won't matter to you, right? You just want to see the product, use it, put your tokens in, and get to work, right? You're not so concerned about whether the market's in the red, because that has nothing to do with the overall vision, future of Shiba Inu. And in addition to that, I think it would help out with all the FUD going on, all the weak paper-handed people out there. So this will give them some more confidence, even though we keep getting all these updates from Shytoshi and the devs. But for some, it's still not enough. But just remember, guys, when there's days like yesterday when the entire market's down, not only SHIB, and you know it has nothing to do with SHIB, what you got to do is just take the day off, get away from the charts, do something more productive with your time. Just remember, just because you're staring at the charts all day doesn't mean they're going to move and get into the green. And guys, just a quick update on the Robinhood petition to list Shiba Inu. As you can see here, guys, over 124,000 people, getting really close to that new goal, or that recent goal of 150,000, guys. So once again, sign it, link in the description below. Guys, let me know in the comments down below, what do you plan to do when Shiba Swap is released? Have you thought about it? Are you still thinking about it? If you haven't, guys, please start thinking about it, because it could be released any day. Don't get me wrong, Shiba Swap is going to be here for good, so it's not that you need to decide today, or once it released, you have to make your decision. No, you can wait 2 weeks, you know, that first initial 2-week period where you're going to get some extra rewards, or you can do it in a month from now. It doesn't matter, but it's good to always have a plan in place. Okay, guys, thanks again, guys. Thanks again for watching the video. I appreciate all the support you've been giving me. It's been really, really great recently. Thanks so much. I hope you got value out of this video. Please consider subscribing and joining this awesome Shiba Army family if you haven't already done so. Turn on the post notifications. If you like free money, you want a new broker, you want 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, sign up for WEBULL using my link in the description below. And just for signing up, you're going to get a free stock, so you don't even have to deposit money if you don't want to. As always, guys, happy trading, happy investing, and I'll see you all in the next video.